I just made my first $1,364 on ClickBank using the power of TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, all my tips, secrets, tricks that I used to monetize my TikTok page and make over $1,000 in my first day on this brand new ClickBank account with my TikTok page over here that has over 200,000 followers. And remember, TikTok brings in traffic every single day, so this can become completely passive, as you can have videos that you've made weeks and months ago still blowing up today, driving tons of traffic to your affiliate link, still bringing you commissions in every single day. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up around the specific product that I've been making so that you can do this too and make your first $1,000 in a day. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online and posting videos every single day, hopefully giving you exclusive insight into what I do so that you can replicate what I do and also make some money online, achieve some goals, develop the right skills to build a successful online business, such as affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, trading as well, and all sorts of content, even content creation like today's video, which is honestly one of the most powerful ways to make money online and build a brand and an online business. So if you want to get daily content and videos like this every single day, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. If you want to get over 60% off my drop servicing university program, all you need to do is click on the first link in the description. It will take you to this page over here. You can click on enter code at the checkout. It will take you to this page over here. All you need to do is enter this code, 1,200,000, and if you click on the check button, you'll see over here it will take this course all the way 60% off its lifetime access, over $19,000 worth of funnels, landing pages, bonuses, and all sorts of freebies and tons of resource and personal help from me in this private mentorship area. So if you want to go and grab all of this, make sure to click on the first link in the description, enter this coupon, and you'll be sent an email with all the details and you'll log into the private membership area. Without further ado, let's not waste any time and get straight into this value-packed ClickBank TikTok tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you need to come to clickbank.com. That is this website over here. You need to sign up. You'll see I'm already signed in. If you don't have an account, just click the sign in button or the sign up button and it will ask you for your name, I think email, address, and you just got to check the terms and conditions, and it will take you to your dashboard that looks like this. Your dashboard will be completely blank like mine was before today with a brand new account. No sales yet, but don't worry, I'm going to fix that for you and get you your first sale through TikTok. Now, what we need to do is we need to click on the marketplace button on the top right over here. I'll view it on the screen and it will take you to this page over here. Now, what I recommend when choosing a ClickBank product, you can use any product that you can think of and apply this with TikTok. It doesn't matter. I like to use high ticket products that pay huge commissions. So my $1,300 that I made only consisted of 2 sales. The product is over $680 commission per sale. It's a high ticket product. The specific affiliate product that I was promoting is a high ticket affiliate marketing course by John Crestani. Now, what I love about this, he has what you call a free training, which you can use to hook in leads and people and viewers off of TikTok to upsell them to the paid course. So that's what I love about this. It provides a lot of free value. One of the best ways to make money online is to provide free value. That's exactly what this product does. So you need to come over to your ClickBank affiliate marketplace over here and type in Crestani on the search bar, and if you click on search over here, you will see his product will pop up over here, the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani's auto webinar funnel. So you will earn a commission of $682.30, which is the 2 sales that I got, which led to my $1,300. Just to calculate this for you, let's bring up my calculator. 682.30 times 2 is the $1,364.60 that I got. Now, if you click on the affiliates page over here, take a look at this. He actually gives you tons of resources, including, if I scroll down to the more towards the bottom of this page, done for you email swipes, done for you Facebook ads, done for you Google ads, more Facebook ads that you can go and use. He gives you tons of YouTube ads as well to go and promote his course. He also gives you testimonial folders as well as private promotion, back-end monetization, all sorts of resources to go and promote this product. Now, this we're going to keep open in a new tab because we're going to do this later. What I need to explain to you is before we just go and slap bang this product on TikTok, we need to create a bridge page, because remember, your TikTok page over here that you're going to create, let's say at some point You've got a good TikTok page going, but it gets banned. TikTok decides to close your account. It's happened before. The algorithm is never perfect. It makes mistakes, so you need to cater for this. Now, what I've done over here is I've created a bridge page where I collect my viewers on TikTok, names and emails, and list them in a subscriber list so that if TikTok does, for example, ban my page, I've still got all of my followers on TikTok saved on a email subscriber list where I've built over 12,000 leads. I get between 70 and plus minus 100 leads a day off my TikTok page. So this is perfect for a great way to save your TikTok followers to an alternative source in case your TikTok page gets banned. So this is super important that we set this up. But don't worry, I'm going to give you all the pages. You don't need to do anything with this. I'm going to show you how to set this up. I'm going to give you my bridge page as well that you can put in the bio of your TikTok page where you'll get tons of sales and traffic directed to your affiliate link. But let's continue. So like I mentioned, we've got this affiliates resource page over here, which is this link over here. You'll see on each ClickBank offer, they have what you call an affiliates page. You need to click on that link. And what we need is we need these email swipes over here. We need to keep this open over here. And you can see here on the button, or here is the button to download these email swipes. Now, what we need to go and do is we need to go and create a simple bridge page like this, where we can collect our TikTok viewers' first name and email address. Like I said, if TikTok bans your account, you've got them saved to an email list where you can re-promote them, email promotional content to maybe follow your new TikTok page or an Instagram page or directly to your affiliate link offer. That is what's so useful about an email subscriber list. So I really recommend pay attention to this because this is super important in terms of setting this up. So in order to go and design a page like this over here, we're going to use a tool called Kartra.com. So I've already got an account on Kartra. Kartra is an entire funnel builder, email marketing campaigns, done for you funnels, done for you campaigns, etc. that you can use for your own online business. I really recommend this tool if you are serious about becoming an online entrepreneur and building funnels with affiliate marketing, dropshipping, selling your products, etc. Now, this is what your dashboard looks like once you've signed in with your Kartra account. But I just wanted to quickly say to you guys, if you want to get over $5,000 worth of bonuses from me, that's done for you cash machines, drop servicing agency funnel, advertorial funnels, high ticket product funnels that you can actually use with this, video training for Kartra, affiliate bridge funnel, 60 high converting affiliate emails, which you can use for this as well, a drop servicing masterclass, TikTok marketing business premium course, and a whole entire jab hook high ticket funnel, all valued at over $5,200. If you want to get this completely for free, I'm giving this away just to help you out with Kartra. You don't need to purchase Kartra. Kartra, I think, is $1 for the first 30 days. If you cancel Kartra or don't decide to sign up, you can keep these forever from me. I'm not using this to sell Kartra to you. I'm using this to help you out and get you kick boosted with building your own funnels with Kartra. So you can click on the second link in the description. It'll take you to this page. And then finally, it will land you on your Kartra dashboard that looks like this, where you can go and see all your pages over here of various different affiliate products that I promote all the time. What we need to do is on the bottom right, you'll see there's a green button that says plus page. Click on plus page over here. We want to go and select squeeze page over here. So a squeeze page is where we get our user to enter the name and email. The squeeze page I'm going to use is this first one over here. This is one of my favorites. Let me click on select. And we're going to click on launch builder over here. And for the page name, we're going to type affiliate super system. For the category, you can go and select no category. For the site, select no site and click on create over here and it will automatically load this page up for you. And over here, you can see this is what your landing page looks like and we can go and edit this now. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to our affiliate link over here on ClickBank. We're going to click on the sales page over here, not the resource page, the sales page. So we're going to open this up in a new tab and all we can go and do is we can literally copy this title as is. We could just copy it and use it on our own page. So we can then go and click on our landing page over here that we're building and just replace the title over here and just make it black in color. Obviously you can see here it's white. So just click on the color tab and make sure it's black. For this subtext over here, we can go and highlight this text over here, right click, copy, come back to Kartra, paste this over here, and let's just make this a red color. So let's make this a bright red like that. So this is perfect. Our title is already done. Step number one, register your email over here. So you can see the training timer over here. What we want to go and do is we want to click on this timer over here. You'll see there's like a timer on this template. Click on the pen over here. We want to go and make this 3 minutes. So we're going to select over here, dynamic landing time, and we're going to select 3 minutes over here, and we're going to click on apply. For this little subsection over here under the section that says register your email, we're going to use this little text over here. Don't worry, we don't need to use any of this, as remember, this is the next page they're going to land on after ours. So let's just go and edit our text and paste that over here. And again, we just want to make this white over here, so it is obviously visible like that. And for this video over here, what you want to do is you want to come back to this page over here, and you just want to screenshot your screen over here. So just click on screenshot, come over to paint like this, paste this on your screen over here, just zoom in, select the crop tool and just highlight this as an image. Now what you want to do is click on crop over here, click on file, save as to your PC, and let's just type this as demo, click on enter, save that to a folder on your PC, come back to your Kartra page, and we're going to replace this with a clickable picture, which is going to take them through our affiliate link. So let's click on this video over here, and you're going to delete it over here. You're going to click on components on the left, click on images, and drag an image onto this form over here. Close this tab, click on this image, click on the edit style, click on upload images because we need to upload the image, click on upload image again, and select this demo picture that we've now saved on Paint and screenshotted. Click on the same picture over here, click on confirm, and click on apply. And here you can see this now looks like a clickable video, but that's where we want to get our audience to click on this video, but then it will prompt them to enter their name over here. So what we need to do is we need to select this picture over here, click on edit style, click on link over here, and you want to select pop and opt-in form. And over here from the templates, we want to select one of these over here. Let's use this orange one. And we can type on this big heading over here, for example, reserve your spot below. Let's just make this a little bit smaller, for example, like 2.0, that's perfect. For the subtext over here, we can use seats are limited, and we can put this over here. We can delete this, and we can delete this over here. Now, what you want to do is just select this form over here, click on edit style, click on select an opt-in form or create a new one. If you haven't created a new one, just type in the name. We can type affiliate system and click on create. And as you can see over here, it says this asset does not exist or the configuration is complete. So we quickly need to go and configure this form. This is the form where our viewers on TikTok are going to enter their name and email and be saved to our subscriber email list. So we need to come back to our Kartra dashboard over here. You can see here is the affiliate system form I just created. Just click on these three dots, click on edit over here, and again, click on edit over here, and it will allow us to configure this form. It's already set by default to first name and email address. We don't need any more fields. Click on save over here. Click on save and next. For the confirmation, we want to have single opt-in. So click on save for that. We don't have to edit that. For the success page, we want to add our affiliate link because this is where when the leads enter their name and email address, they need to go through our affiliate link in order to get those commissions. So come back to ClickBank, click on promote over here. That's in order to get your affiliate link, and click on generate hop links over here and click on copy link over here. Now come back to your Kartra page over here and paste your affiliate link just like this, and make sure it's selected to HTTPS. Click on save over here. Now this form is selected to our affiliate link. Click on save and next. We don't need a welcome email. Click on save and next. This is where we want to save our email list subscribers and viewers on TikTok to a list where we can send them emails. So we're going to select change over here for subscribe to lists. We want to select yes, subscribe to a list. Click on create a new list and just type in John Cristani's product or whatever. You can use this as the public description. Click on create, and over here, click on add and click on save. So now when leads and viewers on TikTok enter their name and email on the link in your bio of your page, they are saved to a list. Let's click on save and next. Make sure you've got selected. I will use the form in another Kartra asset selected. Click on save, and that is it. One more, click on save and next, and your form is now ready to go. All you need to do is on this page that we've been editing, click on this green drop down, click on save progress, close this, and just right click and reload the page, and you'll see the whole form will be configured. Take a look at this. If I click on edit style of this image again and I click on link, you can see this is now being configured. Click on down over here. This form over here we also need to configure and set to the same form. So click on edit style over here, select the drop down and select the affiliate system and click on apply. And perfect. As you can see, the form and page is ready to go. And over here, this page is ready to go for our TikTok page. So right click or drop down, click the drop down on the top right, Click on Publish Live over here so we can publish our page live to the internet. Click on Get Page Link, copy it, and open this in a new tab just to proofread and make sure this page is correct and that you've made no mistakes. So take a look at this. When I enter my name and email and I click on Submit, you'll see it'll take me through my affiliate link to the landing page over here where they can go and watch this free webinar. Let me go back to my page again. Take a look at this. When they click on this video image, it pops up with that pop-out to reserve my seat, where again, they need to enter their name and an email address in order to sign up over here, which will take them through your affiliate link to the landing page over here, which you will then get $680 every sale this makes. And they can also watch John Crestani's 30-minute free webinar over here. So the next step is we need to come over to TikTok on your phone or on your PC. I recommend your phone, and set up a TikTok account. Now you want to go and create content in the affiliate marketing or entrepreneurship or finance advice niche. And we can go and type at the top here, for example, affiliate marketing, click on enter, and go and take a look at some of the other big affiliate marketers over here. Just open up their pages in new tabs and let's see what they have to say. So firstly, you can see this person over here. Okay, not really my kind of content, but let's use this person over here. Want to learn how to create passive income for free. If I click on this, as you can see, this person is offering a free Facebook group to provide free advice. She's also playing it smart. She's moving her TikTok followers to a Facebook group so her followers are saved there in case TikTok bans her page. And most likely on her Facebook page, she upsells a course or something even more valuable. So this is the kind of route you want to take. You're welcome to go over to TikTok. Just go and search affiliate marketers, online entrepreneurship, and go and not copy the content, but get influence. And I know some of you may not want to talk or be on camera, but all you need is the phone or the PC that you're watching this on. I'm sure your device has a camera, and you need to get out of your comfort zone. In order to get to places that you've never been, you need to do things that you've never done, aka get out of your comfort zone. That's how the top successful people in the world have made it. Again, let's go and have a look at some more affiliate marketers. This person over here talks about the best 5 affiliate marketing programs and the best paying ones, and they literally pop up, as you can see over here, the top 4. It's literally a 7-second clip on the top 5 affiliate programs. It's free value on TikTok. And again, as you can see, they promote their link in the bio in the end of this video. That's what you want to do. You want to somehow say link in bio for a free 30-minute webinar. You don't want to sell anything. You don't want to say link in bio for my course. You want to type on the screen link in bio for a free 30-minute webinar, which they will then land on this page over here, which will then take them through to this page over here where they can watch this 30-minute webinar. That webinar will then do all the hard work for you and upsell your TikTok viewers to the main paid course of John Crestani, where you make your $680 odd commission. I'm also just quickly going to announce the winner of my 6-figure drop servicing program. Well done to this person over here. You won that drop servicing program from my previous video. I mentioned I would do a giveaway. All you need to do is DM me on Instagram over here. If you want to win this again, you need to make sure that you're following my channel, left a like, comment down below that you're ready, and follow me on Instagram over here and comment on my latest post, and I will announce a random winner in tomorrow's video as well for that $400 course that you'll get completely for free. And if you want to get tons of free videos that I've specifically made on Kartra and TikTok, I'll leave a playlist over here. So this playlist contains the best videos I've compiled on my YouTube channel in one single playlist and place for you to watch. So make sure to click on this playlist over here. It will be tons of value on Kartra and TikTok and building funnels. Click on this over here and I'll see you over there.